Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's becoming increasingly important in the world of AI communication: how to get more human-like responses from ChatGPT. Whether you're using it for writing, brainstorming, or just having a chat, these expert tips will help you interact with this powerful tool more effectively. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Be clear and specific. The first step to getting better responses is clarity. When you ask a question or give a prompt, make sure it's specific and detailed. Avoid vague terms and ensure that your request is easy to understand. Example: instead of saying, "Tell me about dogs," try, "What are the top 3 breeds of dogs for families with young children?" This specificity helps ChatGPT provide more accurate and relevant answers. Tip 2. Use custom instructions. ChatGPT allows you to set custom instructions that can guide its responses. This means you can tell it exactly how you want it to communicate with you. Instructions could include: use simple language, speak passionately about a topic, write in a conversational tone. By personalizing these directives, you can significantly improve the quality of the responses you receive. Tip 3. Adopt a persona. To make ChatGPT sound more human, consider asking it to adopt a specific persona. This helps tailor the tone and style of its responses. Example prompt: please write as if you are Sarah, a 30-year-old fitness coach who motivates people through friendly advice. This technique can help create a more relatable and engaging interaction. Tip 4. Vary sentence lengths. One common giveaway of AI-generated content is uniform sentence length. To combat this, ask ChatGPT to vary its sentence structures. Prompt idea: can you provide information on this topic using a mix of short and long sentences? This variation mimics natural human writing and keeps the reader engaged. Tip 5. Provide context about your audience. Understanding who you're addressing can drastically change how ChatGPT formulates its responses. Include details about your audience in your prompts. Example: write an article for young adults interested in fitness trends. By giving context about the audience's demographics and interests, ChatGPT can tailor its output accordingly. Edit the output. Never settle for the first draft that ChatGPT generates. Review its responses and make adjustments to add depth, emotion, or personal flair. Action steps: identify areas lacking detail. Add your voice or perspective. Rephrase awkward sentences. This editing process is crucial for ensuring the final content resonates with your style and intent. Tip 7. Experiment and iterate. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. If you don't get the desired response on your first try, rephrase your question or prompt. Follow-up questions. Use follow-up questions to clarify or expand on previous answers. This iterative approach helps refine the conversation and enhances the quality of information received. Remember, patience is key as you learn how to communicate effectively with ChatGPT. There you have it, 7 pro tips to get more human-like responses from ChatGPT. By being clear, using custom instructions, adopting personas, varying sentence lengths, providing audience context, editing outputs, and experimenting with prompts, you'll unlock the full potential of this AI tool. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on maximizing your AI interactions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.